BMW engineers spend millions tuning suspension geometry, run-flat compatibility, and handling dynamics, and a single wrong tire can undo all of it. Most BMW owners do not realize that BMW has an approved tire list called the BMW Star Rating Program, and that fitting a non-approved tire can void warranty coverage on suspension components. In fourth place, Nexen tires are often pitched as a smart value upgrade at independent shops, but the risks they introduce to any BMW are far from obvious until it is too late. Independent tests on the F30 3 Series show wet braking distances are 15 to 20% longer than Michelin or Continental equivalents, an extra 6 to 8 meters before the car stops when roads are slick. Hydroplaning sets in at just 70 kilometers per hour, a full 10 kilometers per hour, below what BMW chassis engineers expect. On models like the F30, G20, and E90, owners have reported persistent tire pressure monitoring system sensor errors, including battery low alerts that mask real pressure drops and can leave you driving on a flat without warning. Nexen's retail lines carry 0 BMW star rating approvals, so any warranty claim for suspension or wheel bearing wear risks denial. And with no run-flat variants available, a simple puncture can mean being stranded, or worse, damaging the rim. The modest savings at purchase often turn into expensive lessons when repairs and safety are on the line. Number 3 on the blacklist, Kumho's budget Extra lines are a hidden danger for BMW owners who drive in colder climates or who run M Sport suspensions. Once the mercury drops below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, the rubber compound in these tires stiffens dramatically. That means less grip when you need it most, especially in the wet. Independent ADAC and TUV tests show a 12% longer wet braking distance compared to Michelin or Continental, and on rear-wheel drive BMW models, that can be the difference between stopping safely and sliding into the intersection. But the real headache comes from the sidewall construction. BMW engineers design aggressive camber into M Sport suspensions for precise handling, but Kumho's softer sidewalls cannot keep up. The result is excessive lateral flex that puts extra stress on wheel bearings. It is not just a theory. Mechanics have documented bearing replacements costing $400 to $900 per corner after just 10,000 to 13,000 miles on these tires, which is barely a third of the tread life you would get from a premium set. For cost-conscious owners, those savings at the register evaporate fast when repair bills start piling up. Kumho's premium lines can be acceptable, but the budget extra variants are a mechanical liability for any BMW that sees real-world driving conditions. Number 2 on the blacklist, Atturo tires are a landmine waiting for unsuspecting BMW SUV owners, especially those with X5 and X7 models. These tires are marketed as a budget solution, but the reality is far more dangerous. Atturo's most common fitments for BMW SUVs often come with a load index of 99, just under the critical 100 or 101 rating required by BMW for safe operation. That small difference can tip the scales from safe to overloaded, especially when the vehicle is fully loaded with passengers and cargo. When a tire is underrated for load, the dynamic stability control system on a BMW will limit torque to the wheels, cutting into performance and, more importantly, risking catastrophic sidewall failure under stress. Owner reports and insurance claim snippets reference sidewall bubbling and early delamination as soon as 6,000 to 10,000 miles into service, well short of what any premium tire delivers. Beyond the structural risks, Atturo's tread and sidewall design generate excessive noise and vibration, overwhelming the finely tuned noise, vibration, and harshness controls in the BMW chassis. The result is a cabin that feels harsh, with vibration transferred directly through the suspension to the driver and passengers. Not a single Atturo tire carries the BMW star rating, meaning any suspension or bearing failure linked to these tires can void warranty coverage. For family vehicles like the X5 or X7, the stakes could not be higher. A tire that cannot handle the load puts everyone at risk, and the savings at the register quickly evaporate when repair bills and warranty denials start coming in. And finally, in first place, Radar and Omni tires are the single greatest danger you can bolt onto a BMW. The low price tag draws in owners searching for a deal, but the hidden costs and risks are far greater than most expect. Independent wet braking tests put Radar's stopping distances at 30 to 40% longer than BMW's approved Michelin or Continental tires. That is not just a few extra feet, it is the difference between stopping safely and plowing into the car ahead. On a wet highway, a BMW 5 Series equipped with Radar performance tires can require nearly 10 meters more to come to a halt. The reason is simple. These tires are built with a hard, low-cost compound that cannot maintain grip when the road is slick. But the danger does not end with braking. Multiple owner reports and shop invoices document tread separation incidents where the tread literally peels away at speed on both BMW 5 Series and BMW 7 Series. When that happens at 70 miles per hour, you are not just risking your car, you are risking your life and everyone else on the road. Radar and Omni tires lack every BMW-specific safeguard, no star rating, no run-flat support, and no TPMS compatibility. That means your car's electronic safety systems cannot compensate for the tire's failures. The savings, usually $250 per set compared to a premium tire, are wiped out the first time a wheel bearing fails or a rear suspension arm bends. Repair bills range from $1,500 to $3,000. For anyone who values their BMW engineering, Radar and Omni are the red line. No other tire brand combines such poor safety metrics with such high downstream repair costs. This is where the false economy of a cheap tire becomes a catastrophic mistake. First up in the safe zone, Bridgestone's Potenza Sport and Turanza T005 models mark a turning point for any BMW owner ready to move beyond the dangers of budget tires. Both carry the BMW star rating, a stamp that means every aspect, from compound to sidewall, has been engineered and tested specifically for the demands of BMW's chassis and electronic systems. The Potenza Sport stands out in independent wet brake tests, stopping 10 to 15% shorter than the typical budget tire, a margin that can mean the difference between a close call and a collision when the road turns slick. For daily drivers, the Turanza T005 is often the practical upgrade, delivering low road noise, impressive tread life, and full-run flat compatibility, crucial for BMWs that leave the factory without a spare. These tires slot in at $150 to $220 apiece, a mid-range price that is dramatically less than the repair bills for wheel bearings or suspension arms damaged by off-brand rubber. With star approval, run-flat options, and proven wet weather grip, Bridgestone's Potenza and Turanza lines are the first step to restoring confidence and protecting your BMW's warranty. In second place among the safe options, Continental's Premium Contact 6 and Conti Sport Contact 5 have become a familiar sight on BMs rolling out of the factory, especially on the 3 Series, 5 Series, and nearly every X model. These tires aren't just an aftermarket recommendation, they are the benchmark for OEM fitment, with the BMW star rating stamped right on the sidewall. That mark isn't just a logo, it means Continental's engineers worked directly with BMW to tune every aspect for the brand's unique suspension geometry, electronic stability systems, and run-flat requirements. For drivers who care about grip, the Conti Sport Contact 5 stands out. Independent lateral grip tests put it within 3% of the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, a margin so tight that even seasoned track day drivers would struggle to notice the difference. The Premium Contact 6, meanwhile, balances high-speed stability with a tread compound that holds up for 28,000 to 35,000 miles, nearly triple the lifespan of most blacklisted brands. Both lines offer full run-flat compatibility and seamless integration with BMW's TPMS, so there is no risk of false alerts or warranty headaches. Priced between $160 and $240 per tire, Continental delivers near top-tier performance and factory-level trust without the premium price tag of Michelin. For most non-MBMWs, this is the everyday choice mechanics recommend: grip, safety, and long-term savings, all backed by the same standards BMW uses to protect its own reputation. And finally, in first place, Michelin's Pilot Sport 4S and Pilot Sport All Season 4 set the standard for every BMW owner who refuses to compromise on safety and performance. These are the tires BMW mechanics put on their own cars, not just for the star rating, but for the way they transform the entire driving experience. The Pilot Sport 4S holds more BMW star approvals than any other performance tire, a mark that means it's been engineered in lockstep with BMW's suspension geometry, run-flat systems, and advanced electronics. In independent wet braking tests, these tires stop 25 to 35% shorter than the average budget brand, sometimes a full 2-car length sooner on slick pavement. That's the difference between a close call and a collision. Tread life is where Michelin pulls even further ahead. Owners routinely see 30,000 to 40,000 miles before replacement, triple the lifespan of the blacklist brands that wear out in a year of real-world driving. The All-Season 4 variant brings that same confidence to colder climates and daily commutes without sacrificing grip or ride comfort. Prices run $200 to $320 per tire, but the numbers tell the story. A single set of Pilot Sport 4S can outlast 2 or even 3 sets of budget alternatives while shielding your suspension and wheel bearings from the stress that leads to $1,500 in repairs. For BMW owners who value their car's engineering and their own peace of mind, this is the tire that pays for itself, mile after mile, year after year. Across every tire we examined, one pattern is clear. BMWs demand more than just rubber, they require precision. Saving a few bucks on the wrong tire invites safety risks and hidden repair bills. The right choice isn't just peace of mind, it is protection for everything BMW engineering stands for.